When you are given a chance, please respect the people who gave you that opportunity. So, mimi naomba, let us all be mature leaders all over in our country, starting from Western Kenya. Let us change our attitude. Let us extend our hands of friendship and work with other people. Kuna wengine wanazungumuza wanasema, oh, Mudavadi na Wetangula, oh, wametuzuia. Kwani nimezuia nani? Sijazuia mtu yeyote. Mimi nikiingia kwa bunge, Angati alikuwa, he was senior to me. Mzee Burudi na Bwera was there, he was senior to me. Mwangale was there, he was senior to me. Elon Wameo was there, he was senior to me. Na wengine wengi. I did not waste my time saying I'm blaming those senior politicians. No. I went in, nikaanza kufanya kazi yangu, nikafanya. Nikajua those are my elders, I respect them, I work with them. They did not stop me from performing my duties as an MP. So you, if you are an MP and you are unable to do your job, don't blame Mudavadi. I'm not in your constituency. If you are a governor and you are unable to perform, my friend, don't ask me and don't blame me. Do your job. Because it's not me who's going to vote you out. It's the people who put you there, the ones who will decide whether you're gone or not. So stop wasting your time talking about Mudavadi as if I'm your obstacle. Fanya kazi bwana. Yibinobe negasi, koregasi yoyo. Kama unasema Mudavadi akukuingira okoraigasi yoyo dabe, na mumba buha okoraigasi. Naho kandi wenyubore ndi nute miyugasi mumba, ore kandi Mudavadi yari weneyo. Mwenye wandu balongenya nabo sana. Bwana, fanya kazi yako. You are a leader. Umechaguliwa. Na mimi nifanye yangu. That is how a nation grows. Kwa hivyo nadhani ndakoherana kukidogo. Holy Spirit, mangana gari gangu miyi. Moyo gwa kabahoroka. Moyo warandi ibindu byari bihandi mukiritu. Byari bisumuyi. Ibindu byamahe. Madimoni. Nende buruare bwenda kabora bwa KKK. Namangana gosi. Yibinya sae ngonya ritwa. Wandu wa Holy Spirit wamora yiha. 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 Mwaku yiha. Nyasaye amurinde.